morning students, I am Francis and I am going to teach you maths today. The book which we follow is Learn Well, which is published by Holy Faith International Private Limited. So let's begin with our first chapter, numbers. So to be continued with our videos, so let's go. Hello students, today I begin our first online maths class, lesson first. Numbers and numbers names. You already know a lot about numbers. Like the greatest one-digit number is 9. The greatest two-digit number is 99. And the greatest three-digit number is 999. The greatest four-digit number is 9999. Do you see a pattern here? The pattern is 1 digits, the greatest number is 19. 2 digits, the greatest number is 2 nines. 3 digits, the greatest number is 3 9. And the 4 digits, the greatest number is 4 nines. Similarly, you also know the smallest one-digit number is 1. The smallest two-digit number is 1010. The smallest three-digit number is 100. The smallest four-digit number is 100,000. 1 followed by 3 zeros. Again, do you see a pattern here? For 1 digits we have 1. For 2 digits we have 1 followed by 1 zero. For the smallest 3-digit number we have 1 followed by 2 zeros. For the smallest 4-digit number we have 1 followed by 3 zeros. Do you see the patterns? Now let us look closely. 9 plus 1 equals to 10. 99 plus 1 is equals to 100. 999 plus 1 is equals to 1000, but this was basic. But here 9 is the greatest one-digit number, and when we add 1 to it, we get the smallest two-digit number. Similarly, 99, this is the greatest two-digit number, and when we add 1, we get the smallest three-digit number. Similarly, 999 is the greatest three-digit number, and when we add 1 we get the smallest four-digit number. Now this is something you all know till now. Now when we see 9999 and we add 1 to it, we get 10,000. Now this is the greatest four-digit number, and by adding 1 we have entered the 5-digit series, and we have got the smallest 5-digit number. What is the smallest 5-digit number? We have just come across digit is 1 followed by 4 zeros, and the number name for this is 10,000, and it is written as 10,000. The place value chart for this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. Under the 10,000 column we will have 1, and rest of the place will be occupied by zeros. Now what is the greatest 5-digit number? For this we will have 5 nines. The number name for this is 99,999, and it is written as 99,999. The place value chart for this is ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Here all place will be occupied by 9. Have a look. Similarly, the smallest 6-digit number. So this is going to be 1 followed by 5 zeros, and what do we call this number? The number name for this is 100,000, which is also known as 1 lakh. Now 100,000 is an international system, and in Indian system it is known as 1 lakh. When we write this in Indian system, the commas will be placed as 1 comma 0 0 comma 0 0 0. Have a look at the place value chart. So this will be clarified further. Here we have ones, tens, hundred, that is one period, then that is why we have a comma. After 3, then we have 1000, 10,000, that is the second period. So comma after 2, then we have lakh, there we enter into the third period. Abacus. Now we come to abacus. You have already done 4-digit numbers on abacus. Let us quickly revise it. Here the number given is 5124. So 4 is there in the ones place. So how many beats will be put in ones place? 4. Alright, now tens place we have 2. So we will put 2 beats in the tens place. 100 place we have 1, so we 1 beats in hundreds place, and 1000 place we have 5, so 5 beats in 1000 place. This is you have done in class 3. Also now let us do 5-digit number on the abacus. Okay, now this example we have 13,205. We have to represent this on the abacus. We will start in the same manner. Ones place we have 5, so we will put 5 beats in the ones column. Tens place we have 0, so we will not put any beats there. We will directly go to the hundreds columns. Here we have 2, so 2 beats in hundreds column. Then thousands place we have 3, so 3 beats in thousands column, and 10,000 columns we have 1, so only 1 beats it will come into the 10,000 columns. This is about abacus. Now I want you to do a worksheet. Now it is a small worksheet with just 5 questions. First questions, write the numbers shown on the abacus. First A, you can see the number. I will not tell you the answer. I want you to write it down. And 1, we have a good look. Now the second question is, write the following number. So first one is 1 more than 100. B, 1 more than 122. C, 1 more than 43,500. D, 1 more than 22,499. E, 1 more than 10,000. F, 1 more than 9,999. Now the questions number 3rd. Each of the following, write the next 3 numbers starting from the numbers given here. The first one is 76,363. So you will now write next 3 numbers after 76,363. Okay, after this you have to write 3 more numbers. Well, next one, 27,609. If you don't know what to do, you will I will give you a hint. Here you have to add 1 and find the next number. Like this you will keep on adding on 3 times, and every times when you add 1 you will write that number. The next question is, write all the numbers between 23,029 and 23,035. Now here again you will keep adding 1 and keep writing it till the time you reach the last number. The second part 45,615 and 45,618. Okay, then next last question is question number 5th. Fill in the blanks by observing the pattern carefully. I will give you a second to look at the questions. Okay, the first one is 22,322, 22,324, 22,326. If you notice the last number, 22, 24, 26, can you see the pattern? There I let you answer that the next questions. 10,315, 10,320, 10,325. Here again, look at the last two digit number 15, 20, 25. I can see the pattern. Can you all write? Let's go to the next question now. 13,110, 13,210, 13,310. So can you see the hundredths place? It is 1, then it becomes 2, and the third place it has become 3. So that is the pattern. Well, I am sure you can write this the next number. The last one is 73,248, 74,248, 75,248. I will let you to do this. I hope this session was of use to you. Till we meet again, you must go through on this questions and complete this worksheet. Tomorrow on the next session, I want to see the answer of these all worksheet. I will also put the answer of these worksheet. So students, you have to do this worksheet at home. Stay home, stay safe, and be safe. Be with your family. Have a good day. Thank you. Good morning, students. Well, I am Francis. I am teaching you math. Hope you liked the video which I share on the WhatsApp. Hope you understood what I taught you on the WhatsApp in the videos. If you're not able to understand, just leave the comment there in the WhatsApp group, and I will try to make it more effective on the next session. The next session I am going to teach you live on the YouTube. And that time I will share you the link, and directly you follow the link and we connect together on the YouTube channel live. So soon I will share the link in the WhatsApp group, and as you follow that link, we all together come live on the YouTube channel, and I will give you the time also at that time, so when I am coming to live on the YouTube channel, and I will teach you on the board. So no need to be panics. I will explain you in a better way in the next video. That will be a very effective to you, and study carefully and study well in the home. Don't waste your time. Take the advantage of the time that you have learned and learn new things in your home, at your home. Sorry. So thank you. Hope you liked this small video which I made for you. So friends, be at home. Don't go outside. Be careful. You know what's going on around the world. So stay home, stay safe, and have a nice day. Thank you.